So somebody summarize last Thursday's class in a short paragraph. A couple of you weren't here, and I want to bring us all up to speed. Ashley? You can only focus on one thing at a time.
You say we're never anywhere else but in the here or the now.
Okay, we can only directly experience here and now. You cannot, it's not within the human capability to experience anything but here and now. You can think about the future and the past, you can remember about, you can remember and imagine, but you cannot directly experience anything, anywhere that is not here and now. Okay? First rule of the mind is you can only think one thought at a time. What's the second one? Second one was, in relation to that, you can think about anything you want anytime. We're talking about our thinking, our ability to think. The whole world of awareness and perception is what we're playing with here.
You're in control of yourself?
Yeah, you have the ability to think anything you want at any point in time. There's nobody inside your mind going, you have to think this way.
So number 2 is you.
You can think anything you want anytime. Free choice about what you can focus on anything. Number one is you can only think one thing at a time. 2, you can think about any darn thing. All right? And then the third one, you can only experience right here, right now. Period. Okay? Now, we mentioned that this is where we ended last time. That our reality is always the present moment. Our experience is the same as our reality. All right? Our experience is the same as our reality. Those are equivalent, those are synonyms, those are the same thing. Our experience is our reality. And when is our experience? Now. And where is it? Here. Okay. All right, so let's get on with this. In our present moments, 99.9% of the time, we're safe. So our experience, we just said, our experience was here and now. 99.9% of the time, we're safe in those present moments. It feels like this. Except for those rare occasions when somebody's coming at you full blast and you have to, block somebody, or a hockey puck's coming at you full speed and you've got to... That's kind of that 1% of the time, that 0.1% of the time. Otherwise, this is how it is in the present moment. There's no threat. We create that stress, that threat, those possible threats, when we project our thoughts into the future and we imagine something, or we send our thoughts into the past and we remember something or make up something about a past. And our body, remember this, guys, really tune into this. Your body, my body, cannot experience future and past.